Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your ACER Chromebook 315. First, open the control center by clicking in the bottom right corner of your device's screen. Then click the Wi-Fi icon right here and make sure that the Wi-Fi is switched on. Then select the network from the list. Click on it and then provide a password to it into the respective field. Then click Connect. And after a moment, your device will be connected to this network. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.